welcome back to my channel. You guys, the highly requested room tour is here. I don't know how long this video is going to be because you guys are basically looking at my room, but I tried to go in as much detail as I possibly could, so I hope you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, you're just coming across this video, hi, my name is Chinwe. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are tuning back in, thank you so much for watching. And before we get into the room tour, I did want to state, next week we have another Amazon haul coming up. So there's a lot of things you're gonna see in my room that I'm not really going into detail about because I'm waiting for next week's video to tell you guys about that item and tell you guys if I love it. I will still list it below, some of it. I will still list some of it in the description box below. But I didn't want to go in detail about it. I wanted to make a video first and give you guys a review of how I like the product. So if there's some things that I'm not going into too much detail about, it's because it's going to be in next week's video. Just know I got you guys. And what else did I want to state? But yes, I tried to link mostly everything that I talked about in this video in the description down below. If I did not link it, it's because I can't find it or I've gotten it years ago. So yeah, I tried my best to link everything. Is there anything else I needed to say? Yes. Okay, so one more thing before we get into the video is, so I was trying to clean up my room a little bit and I found something. And you're like, what did you find? So I found this JBW watch. Can you guys see it? Is it picking up on camera? Super pretty with this bracelet that my sister actually got for me 2 years ago, and I never wore this watch. So I wanted to give it away to one lucky supporter. Sorry sister, if you are watching this, I'm so sorry, but I don't wear it. So at least somebody will give it to good use. I never took it out the box. I mean, I took it out the box to try it on Christmas Day, but ever since then I never wore it. The box is a little bit beat up because I just found it hidden somewhere. So it's super pretty. It's a silver watch and it comes with this bracelet, never worn. And you guys already know JBW is expensive, so this was a pricey gift. And I have this toxic trait for, like, for some reason I ask for something for Christmas and then by the time Christmas comes I don't want it anymore. That's what keeps happening. And so, like, I'm so sorry. And like, I used to love silver jewelry. I know I say jewelry weird, like people have always told me that. I don't know, like, don't correct me. I know I'm saying it wrong, like whatever, let's just move on. Okay, so I always used to love silver jewelry, and by the time Christmas came I just had like a newfound love for gold. So you guys always see I love gold jewelry now. And what's so crazy is I used to hate gold, and now, like, I don't hate silver, but I'm messing with gold. Like, I don't wear silver jewelry anymore. Nothing's wrong with it. It's still super cute, still super pretty, but I wanted to give this away to one lucky supporter. So how you can enter is let me think. I guess all you have to do is just subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously, follow me on Instagram, and then just comment whatever, but make sure to leave your Instagram handle so I can contact the winner, and I will be DMing the winner and can get your address and information like that. But if you just want to comment on the video, you can still comment, and if you don't want the watch, then you don't have to leave your Instagram handle. So only leave your Instagram handle if you want the watch. If you don't, you can just leave a random comment, it's fine. But yes, one more look at the watch. Super cute, right? I'm sorry, my sister spent bread on this and I never wore it. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions on the bodysuits I wear in my videos. I will also link the bodysuits I wear there from Amazon. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me know. 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 Okay, so first I had to show you guys this light switch cover. This is actually going to be in my Amazon video that's coming out next week, so stay tuned. I don't want to go into too much detail about this, but I installed this myself and I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next thing is this refrigerator that's actually going to be in next week's Amazon video as well, but it's in my room and it's obvious, so I had to show you guys. I'm not going into detail about it. Stay tuned for next week's video to know my review on how I feel about it. Okay, so next it is my vanity set. You guys, this is the part that you guys don't get to see when I'm filming, and I literally have this glam perfume bottle that I shared in my last Amazon video, and this lipstick holder, it's literally a big pink lip holding all my MAC lipsticks. I literally love it. By the way, everything is going to be linked down below. Then I have my Glitz and Glam makeup brush holder. And then I have these beautiful candles by Auntie Jackie that my bestie actually got me last year. I literally love these candles. They smell so good and they light up pretty quick. And that is my mini tripod that I actually film with that you guys are always asking about. And here is just all my makeup that I use daily. And here is my mirror that I use to do my makeup. Everything will be listed down below, including my vanity set. This whole vanity set was from Amazon, you guys. Also, the chair was from Amazon. I built it myself. It was super easy. Literally love Amazon. Okay, so moving on to my favorite part of my room. I just love this section. It's so like peaceful and bliss. So you guys already know I got these candles from Amazon. They will be linked down below. And look at these Chanel bags. You guys know one of these bags is actually a replica. Can you guess which one? Stay tuned for my next upcoming video. I will be talking more about one of these bags. And you guys already see Patricia, my wig head, in the background. I put cat ears on her because I don't know, I just found my Halloween cat ears and it looks good on Patricia, so I put it on her. And I'm so annoying. And then these flowers will be listed down below as well as the vase. I actually plucked one of the flowers and put it in the vase to kind of give it that look. And this heart statue thing, I believe I got it from Home Goods. So Patricia's from Amazon and the candles are from Amazon. And then stay tuned for this week's video on one of these bags. Okay, so now I wanted to show you guys my clothing rack. But first, let me show you this Marilyn Monroe picture. I actually got this my freshman year for my dorm room. And I got it from Ross. So sorry I can't link it down below. I'll try to find something similar if I can. But yes, here's my clothing rack. This clothing rack is actually from Amazon. I've had it now for about 8 years and it holds up pretty well. I tried my best to color coordinate the clothes, but you know, I can only do so much when it comes to that. Okay, so now let's get into my bedding. I love a plush throw. I got this extra large plush throw from Home Goods. I got these 2 white pillows from Amazon. They'll be linked down below. This brownish grayish one is from Home Goods, and this really big white one is also from Home Goods, but there's a dupe on Amazon that I will link down below. And right next to my bed is this side table that's also from Amazon. Literally, my room is 100% Amazon or 95%. So I just use this to watch videos as I sleep and when I work from home. And here is my lamp that I got from Home Goods about 8 years ago. And I like to put pink light bulbs from Amazon as well because you guys already know I have to have my touches of pink. And here are my glam cups that I love so much. And right there is my diffuser that I'll be talking about in next week's Amazon video, so stay tuned. And here are more of my flowers that will be linked. And underneath that are my shoes. They're not really organized. I got this shoe shelf about 8 years ago, obviously from Amazon. I built it myself. It'll be linked down below, but yeah, it keeps a couple of my shoes there. Not all of my shoes, but some of them. And then laptop case will be linked down below because I know there's some newcomers to my channel. And this section right here, I love this section. I got this candle from Target
It smells so good. I will link it. Love my tulips, also from Amazon. The other flower, I don't know where it's from. It's from Home Goods. And the sign right here is from Home Goods as well. And here is my little perfume collection. I don't really have that big like of a collection. This is what I have so far because I like to use one perfume at a time. So most of them are kind of at the bottom because I use one at a time. And here is my hand lotion and my hand soap, also from Amazon. And here is this big statue head from Home Goods. This is when I was a shopaholic during the COVID era. And my little candle from Bath and Body Works. And yeah. Okay, moving on to this side. You guys don't really see this side, but I got this Good Vibes Only neon sign from Amazon and this big mirror from Walmart. I'll try to find it and link it down below. I love this full body mirror. It's actually pretty big. And here is just an overview of my room. I really hope you guys enjoy this tour. Sorry if it was a little bit quick. But mostly everything in my room is from Amazon or Home Goods, or I bought them literally years ago. But I love it. It's super girly and feminine, and it smells so good.
Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Let me know what your favorite part was. I know it was probably really fast, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video. We're coming back with another Amazon haul and you guys will love that one as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.